Hello, I'm Dr. Karim Kurji, Medical Officer of Health for York Region. York Region continues to make great progress in the overall COVID-19 vaccination rate throughout our population, with more than 80% of residents aged 12 and up who have received a first dose and nearly 68% fully vaccinated. We thank you for stepping up to protect yourselves, your loved ones, and your community. To increase access to COVID-19 vaccines, York Region's vaccination clinics are now welcoming walk-ins for first and second doses, with both Pfizer and Moderna mRNA vaccines available. While an appointment is not required, individuals can still book an appointment if they wish. And for those who have previously booked appointments for later this summer, we encourage you to book an earlier appointment. We continue to encourage everyone who is eligible to get fully vaccinated against COVID-19 as soon as possible, either by booking an appointment or simply walking in to one of our many vaccination clinics across York Region. Clinic locations and hours for walk-ins and appointments can be found at york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine. With September around the corner, many parents and students are beginning to think about the return to school. Some York Region students will return as early as August 24, 2021, meaning the last chance to receive a second dose and best protection prior to returning will be August 10, 2021. The most important thing parents can do to ensure the return to school is safe is to get vaccinated and to ensure their children ages 12 to 17 are fully vaccinated. Please don't delay, as the window of opportunity is closing to get as many eligible youth fully vaccinated as we can before school begins. The best and longest lasting protection against COVID-19 comes about 2 weeks after the second dose is received. The more people, including eligible adults and youth, we have vaccinated within our community, the less chance the virus can circulate. There are a number of options available for students and their families to receive their vaccines, including York Region's vaccination clinics, where you can book an appointment or simply walk in, more pop-up clinics, or for those who prefer to have their children vaccinated in a school setting, clinics are being held at select high schools across the region. More information can be found at york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine. York Region Public Health is also working closely with school boards and other community partners to make accessing the COVID-19 vaccine as seamless and convenient as possible for youth with disabilities and their families. We are committed to ensuring those with disabilities can receive the accommodations needed to get a first or second vaccine dose safely and comfortably. In addition to the many vaccination options already available, we are pleased to offer dedicated clinics for youth with disabilities and their families at easily accessible and conveniently located select school sites throughout the region on July 27th and July 28th. These clinics will be held in a familiar environment with teams consisting of experienced registered nurses and supportive immunizers. The clinics have additional time built into the schedule to ensure your child has the time they need to adjust and receive their immunization without rushing. It remains critically important for all those who have not yet received a vaccine to get one as soon as possible, and equally important is to receive a second dose as soon as you are eligible. Vaccines continue to be the best way to protect yourself and those around you from COVID-19. We know some of you may have questions about COVID-19 vaccines, and it helps to speak with someone you can trust. If you have a question, please call York Region's Health Connection at 1-800 361-5653 to speak with a public health nurse about COVID-19 vaccination to help you make an informed decision. Stay safe, stay informed, and get vaccinated. Thank you.